In front of me is TECNO Spark 20p, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and select video over here. Then pick any video you wish to add and click on it. If you want to record it and then add it, hit camera section instead and choose video here. Now record it and tap on this check mark at the bottom right corner to attach it. To add an audio file though, you need to record it here and add it. To do that, use this microphone at the bottom right corner. Hold to record, and when you finished, just let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!